Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can link or connect your MetaMask to your Binance account. Watch the video till the end. To link or connect MetaMask to your Binance account, firstly download your MetaMask application. Open the application. Enter your password and tap on Unlock. The home page of MetaMask will appear on the screen. Click on the Ethereum main network. List of options will pop up on the screen. Tap on Add Network. To link MetaMask to Binance account, click on Add beside the BNB Smart Chain. It allows this network to be used with MetaMask. Click on Approve. You can switch to the network to Binance by clicking on Switch to Network. This is how you can connect or link your MetaMask to Binance account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video is useful to you. Thank you so much for watching.